Good morning. We have a group checking in today. We have to be prepared for it.
Okay, what all should I do to be ready for their arrival?
Okay, let me tell you what all we do to prepare for a group arrival. In case you are new here, our channel helps you to run your hotel better. I am training Jay learn the ropes in front office department. Similarly, other experts teach about various topics. Do subscribe to the channel and learn. First thing I will do is to make sure that the rooms are ready for arrival. This will help with making the check-in process smooth.
And in case the room is not ready?
At our hotel, we will offer them a welcome drink at the bar, and make them comfortable there. After that we will try and get the rooms ready as soon as possible. But some other hotels may have a different process. Can you please call up housekeeping and check the status of the rooms?
Hello, this is Jay from the reception. I was calling to check on the status of the rooms for the group arrival.
All rooms are ready. You can go ahead and block the rooms.
Thank you very much. The rooms are ready.
Great. Now while I block the room, print out the rooming list. We will allocate the rooms as per the rooming list. Once we have done that, we will keep the key card ready and wait for the group to come.
I heard that this group has a special requirement.
You are right. According to the group note sent by sales, on arrival they need to be given a traditional welcome and a welcome drink. Always be ready for the group as per the note sent by sales. Being planned is the key to working in front office. Now that the rooming list is ready and keys are made, we can help guests get to their room fast.
Thank you for watching the video. We will now wait for the group to come in. In the meantime, if you know someone who may also benefit from the video, please do share it using the button below. It is very easy. See you in the next video.